Alright, welcome back. It's Data Zero. We're here with another update for GameStop. So here's what's going on with GameStop. It's moving to the S&P 400. So it was on the S&P 600. It's now moving to the S&P 400. Now normally it would be a huge buying event if the GameStop was not on an index at all. But the fact that it's just being moved from one index to another, we might not see any buying from that. Now we could, because there is going to be more eyes on the stock, and any news for our favorite stocks like AMC, GME are good news. So we have a lot more people looking at the stocks. Institutions are taking the stocks a lot more seriously, and that's a really good thing. And like I said, more eyes are going to be on the stocks. It looks like they're going to be buying up to 4.3 million shares of the stock. Um, but they are minusing some shares as well. So the total buying of the index isn't that much. But the fact that it's moving up indexes is definitely a great sign. Sign that we're going on the right track. And like I said, a lot more institutional eyes are going to be on this thing. It's going to take a lot more weight to move this stock around. It's going to take a lot more money, so it's going to be more stable and less volatile. And it's going to be more safe to invest in and less risky while still providing growth. So this is great for GameStop. So let's go ahead and check out the charts. Let's check out the technical analysis and show you guys some possible buy points. And let's go. Here is where I was checking the information that I was reading earlier about the shares being bought and the shares being returned. So right here's that information down here if you guys want to look that up. Don't take my word for it. Check everything else yourself. But if we go over here to the chart on WEBULL, we have GME pulled up on the weekly chart. So we can see the big run up all the way to 483. Who knows where that could have went if Robinhood and other brokerages didn't cut off buying. Then we had another run up to 300. So it seems to be 350 is like the ceiling of this thing that we need to break. And if we break 350, we just rock it. Obviously, we've been holding around 180, 200, and we still are on this uptrend. So we're on a several week uptrend and a several day uptrend. And I'll show you what it looks like on the day chart as well. But as you can see, we are still on that uptrend, which is a great thing. So a major support zone is right here within the 150s down to 116. So if you can get this thing for 116, 150, you're getting it for an absolute steal, and you'll definitely be in profit. As you can see, we bounce off of this line very well, almost forming a cup and handle here. But we go up and then we bounce off that line very well, respecting that line very well. So as you can see, we're here for another bounce, it looks like, but let's see how this thing plays out day by day. Let's go ahead and check out the daily chart real quick just to show you what that trend looks like. And as you can see, we're on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 day uptrend. We did have a massive drop today, but overall, from the 158 mark, that strong support of 150, bouncing and on our way to the upside. Hopefully we get back into the 200s. That's where I want to see GameStop hold the 200s and then obviously move on from there. But that's pretty much it for the technical analysis. We pretty much have supports at all the basic, 205, 210. Some of them are stronger than others, like 200, 150. And obviously there's psychological supports as well. But this is the TA for the day chart, and let's just move on to today's chart real quick. After hours, we're just cruising along here, pretty much flat. It's 7:22 at the time of recording this, and then today we just had a lot of volatility, up and down, up and down, up and down. and then after hours cruising flat. So that's it for GameStop. Remember, it's joining the SP 400. Great for it. Let's go back to the outro. Peace. Just wanted to throw this in here as well. If we hop over to Reddit, we can just see these memes. These memes are awesome. I just wanted you guys to see this before I ended the video, so I threw them here in the end on the last minute while I was editing it. So check this one out with DFV, and then of course, you know, the physicist from History Channel. So it's an epic dip buy. And also, I forgot to mention that the EB games in Canada are now going to be called GameStop, as they should be. So here's what's going on Reddit. A lot of positive sentiment for GameStop. And of course, yeah, look, it's going crazy. So obviously, great news for GameStop. Let's get it. GameStop, strong support at 150. If you can get this thing for 150, you'll definitely be in profit within the next day or two, because it bounces off 150 like that. If you guys seen, anything lower than that is an absolute steal. You want to see this thing go to 200, obviously, but it seems like it has potential to go to 300 and 350 at any moment's notice. For whatever reason, there's multiple theories. I have my theories, other people have their theories, but either way, the scoreboard says that it can go to 350, no problem. 400, 500 maybe. It depends if Robinhood didn't stop buying, but that's neither here or there. But that was today's video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep trading, make money. Peace out.